Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Quake in Marvel Contest of Champions. Quake offers a truly unique and powerful playstyle that relies heavily on evasion and precise timing. Her core mechanic involves building up aftershocks by evading opponent attacks. These aftershocks then store and reflect a substantial amount of damage back to your foe, making her incredibly effective against many challenging opponents. Generating aftershocks is central to Quake's strategy. You need to hold your block, then quickly swipe back to evade an incoming attack. Each successful evade builds one stack of aftershock, and you can accumulate up to 10 stacks. These stacks continuously store a percentage of the damage your opponent would inflict. The more stacks you have, the more damage is reflected when the aftershocks are released. The art of playing Quake lies in your evade and release timing. You want to bait your opponent into performing a series of attacks, evading each one to build up a high number of aftershock stacks. Once you have accumulated a significant amount of reflected damage, you can release it by either letting the opponent hit you or by performing a single light attack. This precise timing allows you to control the flow of battle. To further enhance Quake's effectiveness, consider bringing champions like Agent Venom or Crossbones for valuable synergy bonuses. These can improve her damage output or utility. Always aim to bait your opponent's heavy attacks, as these provide longer windows for you to evade and build aftershocks safely. Consistent practice is essential to truly master the unique rhythm and timing required for Quake's powerful playstyle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.